Now this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me because we need a little controversy because I feel so empty without me. Oh!
Double kill.
Whoa, what a snipe right there.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
Put it on YouTube. Oh, fuck. See?
Oh my god!
You got wrecked, dude.
No! Dude, maybe it's because I'm host.
Ooh, yeah, you probably got some shitty.
Some kind of accident.
Oh, my bad.
What the fuck is this?
I wasn't. Just.
That is a load of shit.
I did. I was just gonna start shooting randomly just so I could give you my location. Oh, my location.
Son of a bitch.
There we go.
God damn.
I was just gonna start shooting. I'm Seraph.
The recon.
Free for all.
My bitch.
Eliminate all merc targets.
Oh fuck! I forgot about your fucking.
Dude, that's so gay. Oh my god.
You're like, that's so gay.
You got me through the slightest little crash.
Fishing bangers.
Oh, that's fair. Speaking of which. I swear if you fucking get me with that. Oh my gosh, I might as well be concussed myself. Gosh, fucking damn it. You teabagging? Were you motherfucker?
Yeah. I was prone. What? Oh. What? I'm recording that so you can see how bullshit that was.
Although I only have two, so I'm not one to talk, really.
Yeah! We baited him so hard, bro. Dude, I haven't left this fucking spot in so long. I think I've been alive for like 5 minutes. I just haven't left. I wanted it, though.
Dude,
Halo 2
Alright,
Anniversaries is a more beautiful game than Halo Infinite.
Oh my gosh, wait, I got an assist? What the fuck?
Bitch. That's what you get, bro. I see the sniper bullets coming by. I saw you shoot at the ground next to me. Much worse, much worse. I was not leading the team in kills. And throwing shitty grenades like that. I see you.
Assist, and I died.
No, I will not die today.
Another assist.
I just shot a guy's grenade out of the sky and it killed him.
Oh, very nice.
Oh my god,
Ben
look
actually
at
might get super
this.
excited.
Ben might get a heart on right now.
Yeah.
I might have people over later and wanted to make sure it was updated.
Ugh. Wow, he might have people over later.
Dude, tell him we'll get on when he plays.
It's only 8:30.
Alright, who's getting on with me?
Wait, how do you jump? Oh my gosh, my Halo 3 controller is such a bumper jumper. Hold on.
Fucking hell! Some teammate pushed me fucking forward and I got fucking destroyed. Oh my fucking gosh. That was you, wasn't it? Because you laughed. Guilty as charged.
You had my heart. Halo 4 is actually the best Halo, to be honest with you.
Halo 4 was the shittiest Halo of all time. Are you kidding me?
Fucking kidding
That's
me.
classic. Each team color name that you had an animal.
Alright, I'm so sorry. Oh, I didn't kill you. Good. Okay, good.
Huh?
I accidentally was shooting in the back and thankfully this thing
Whoa.
killed you, so.
Yeah, thank goodness. Wait, that's a monster's mouth. Did I die?
Wait, where the fuck did you go? Carson! Oh, he's right there on your left.
Oh, I didn't get him. Dang.
I'm going down the butthole.
Sniper on my X.
I'm going through the digestion tract now.
Look at that, dude. You killed it, dude. Yeah, let's go, Aaron, dude. Aaron,
How'd you assassinate that guy?
I just see his head back towards me.
I was not prepared.
Oh, I almost got him too.
He was right next to me. I was not paying attention though until the last moment.
You had my heart. Killed him out of it?
I did.
No, I did.
I did.
Oh, I got a splatter from it. No, I think what I did was I think I killed him and then the ghost splattered a teammate.
Oh my goodness.
This guy's gonna jump down. I'm gonna fucking rocket him in the face, dude.
I witnessed that.
What?
You got wrecked.
How did I kill him, bro? What the? I'm gonna go down the butthole. The rocket, dude.
They're both kind of weak around that corner.
All right, going down the butthole. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Got one. Got two.
Oh my gosh, you stole that kill. I emptied an entire clip into him.
Yeah, it was free kill, dude.
Dang.
I was tempted to be honest. I was like, oh.
I see a blue person.
I'm
here.
all out of ammo. I'm literally out of ammo.
Where is he?
You melee people?
Guys, I'm
Oh,
literally out of ammo.
sorry.
I didn't know you could run out of ammo.
Someone's on green portal level 5.
Killing spree.
I just got a grenade kill.
Up there.
Okay, they're okay.
Double kill.
How the fuck do I?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty good at this
Tom,
game.
you fucking think you tried hard enough? What the fuck? Oh my god.
I should have gotten pro, dude. At an age, how old was I when this game came out? It was 2000, so I was 7. Should have gone pro.
Yeah, you could have gone pro. You missed out.
I know, dude.
Gain the lead. Gain the lead.
Alright, you really needed to kill that motherfucking gunner. Wait a minute, wait for me. Ah!
I
Wait,
died.
let's kill this guy.
Oh,
Let's kill this guy.
Okay, yeah. All right, let me get in.
let's go.
Let me get in. Let me get in. No, I want the turret.
Get this guy out.
How do I switch? How do I,
All
not
right.
me.
Oh my god, I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready.
Oh my goodness.
Down, I went bitch.
It's our warhog now, dude.
No. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Oh, I got hit by that thing. Oh my gosh. I have to go all the way back here?
no! Damn it! No! You gotta be kidding me, dude. I had
Oh
it
my God.
too.
It's the game.
You gotta be kidding me, dude.
Wait, I can't jump that. How do I grab it?
Jackson beginning.
Oh yeah.
Often early lead, Tommy Babrugi.
Oh, you don't have to crouch on these. Bitch.
Oh,
Motherfucker!
fuck. Fuck me. Oh my
Fuck this,
god.
I'm not gonna be able to do this. Fucking hell!
Oh my god. I'm gonna do it right here, dude.
Finally, shit. Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Oh my god, dude. No! God damn it.
This next part is more frustrating. Whatever the fuck you're doing right now. I've been stuck on this fucking part for probably like a minute. Alright, welcome, Carson.
oh, okay.
I just keep on getting fucked with this one. I get stuck in this fucking motherfucker. That worked.
I see Aaron, you're
Why are none of them fucking
Bullshit.
spawning?
Like, I don't even know if there's a rhythm to this. I really don't know. Alright, I'm gonna just go as fast as I can.
Alright, here.
died right.
What if I get it first try, dude?
I'll be fucking so pissed at you.
You guys suck, dude.
Yeah, alright.
No, he
Says the person who took 5 minutes on the last.
Dude, you took 5 minutes on this one, dude.
No.
Oh, I missed my
Not
best
my
time by
best
5
time.
seconds, dude.
Fucking hate this one! Ah!
Wait, what's so hard about it? You just gotta follow the thing, right?
No, like a balloon will just fucking hit you when you jump across.
Yeah, but there's a little covering you have to get. There's a covering.
What do you mean?
There's a little thing that slides across that covers the balloons. You just follow that. Stay underneath it.
Oh my.
Did I just give it away?
Yeah.
You didn't know. You guys didn't see that?
Are you fucking
How do you guys not see that? I'm like,
Dude, I'm too distracted by all the assholes.